this last like month and a half period for me has been like a growing period, from moving out to me and my girl staying together to, you know, growing and trying to be more active on the channel, getting more content, to, you know, just daily life. We also have a kid, you know, she's 5 years old, so it's something that is challenging every day, but not impossible. And being disciplined is something that is very, very important, that you have to incorporate into your lifestyle if you want to succeed. Other folks, you know, they might want to live a normal 9 to 5 or a normal basic life, but if you want to see success, if you want to succeed, you want to grow, discipline is the #1 key. I'm shuffling through a mix of songs. YouTube has some good mixes, I'm not gonna lie, good songs. I love it. Goes by, we'll try to pass. Hellcat, Hellcat. Look, Hellcat up here, boy. Haha. Riding in the car with no keys, straight up. Louis V shop with no sleeves. Hopefully I don't get no copyright. The last video I made, but I got a little bit of copyright on one of the songs. The other one was fine, but this one, what song was it? I think it was Chief Keef. They flagged it, but Bossman D-Lo, they ain't flagged. So I was like, what? It's crazy. He from Florida too. No weird shit.
I put Chanel on my feet and wear a PMR that got Chanel on my seats. Put me in the third world country in the middle of the slums. I'ma turn it to $1 million street. I'm from LA, so it's $1 million straight up. B12 BBS, I fell in love with drugs. Walking your section, you ain't rapping about nothing. My hit boys gonna be $1 million. Hop in a Bentley and slide and what? Show my chain and you dance and what? You know my method, I'ma turn your shirt red, man. Didn't see your ass high. Mama got a man, she smile. Then she got a house, she cry. Get to the stand, he lie. Hell, Corey in the streets and they gave his ass lie. I'm getting bigger and bigger than what?
There we go.
Get the Google app to find a way to save it.
Not the ads.
Type your question and get AI help with cleaning hacks so your couch can survive.
Here we go. Looks like the traffic's about to clear up a little bit. Freedom to move.
workshop right here in Atlanta. Inside this workshop, you'll learn
There we go, guys. A little bit of cutout, a little bit of freedom. As you guys know, you gotta drive responsibly though. Not too fast. Know the limits of your car.
Send it in a group. You're out here screaming, fuck me, but you know you wanna fuck me too. Yeah, it's my got a little bed, but trust me, he can't afford this too.
Towards Dunwoody. About to slide back to the crib. I gotta check this outfit out. I gotta kind of iron my clothes up. This car is so quick, man. So quick. Picks up so well. Hey, that 5.0 is making crazy noise. The Ys. My mom just got 2. She got a Y and she got a 3. Newer years. She got I think it's a 22 and a 23. I know a 22 and 20. I think it was 22 and 20. That's what she got. But they're really nice cars. The Y is nice. I like it. I like the updated tech in the Model 3. The way that they have for the charging pad is different. This console is different. Even the inside of this is different. She has suede on her edges here. We have leather. But I like it. It's really nice. Like I was telling her, I was like, I think it was a good decision. She had a Maserati Levante, and she traded both of them because she has Turo. She does Turo too, so they have like 4 cars, and it just made sense, you know. So it worked out. It worked out well. But we are just arriving to the crib ski. So I'll see y'all in a few.